I try to speak English, but my tongue doesn't move. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite channel, English with Altaf. I'm Altaf.
And I'm Sarah. In today's video, we're going to talk about a common problem. I try to speak English, but my tongue doesn't move.
Yes, many students feel this. They understand English in their mind, but when they try to speak, their tongue feels stuck. It's like the words are locked inside.
That's right. So today, we'll talk about the reasons behind this problem and share some easy tips to help you speak freely and confidently.
Let's get started.
Altaf. I think many people feel nervous when speaking English, even if they know the words.
Exactly, Sarah. It's not always about knowledge. Sometimes it's about confidence. When someone thinks, "What if I make a mistake?" they stop speaking.
Yes, fear is the first big reason. People are afraid of being judged or laughed at, so their mind gives a signal to stop, and that fear makes the tongue heavy.
That's very true. Let me share something personal. When I first started learning English, I knew many words, but when I had to speak in front of others, my mouth went dry. My tongue didn't move at all.
You're not alone, Altaf. Many people go through that, but the good news is this can be solved with practice and patience.
So let's break this down. First, we must understand why our tongue feels tight or frozen while speaking English.
Sure, reason 1 is fear, as we already discussed. Reason 2 is lack of muscle practice. We don't train our tongue and mouth muscles to speak new sounds.
Exactly. Think of it like going to the gym. If you never exercise your arms, they stay weak. Similarly, if you never speak English aloud, your tongue is not ready.
So how can we fix this?
Tip number 1, start with easy English sentences every day. Stand in front of the mirror and say small lines like, "I am happy," "I like tea," or "My name is Altaf."
That's a great tip. When you speak to yourself, there is no fear. It's private, and your tongue slowly becomes more comfortable.
Tip number 2, practice tongue twisters. These are fun and help your mouth move faster. Like, "She sells seashells on the seashore." Try saying it slowly first, then faster.
Yes, tongue twisters are great for warming up your speaking muscles. Just like singers warm up their voice, English learners should warm up their tongue.
Tip number 3, don't translate from your native language. This is a big mistake many learners make. They think in their language, then translate. It wastes time.
You're right. Instead, try to think directly in English. If you want to say, "I am hungry," don't think in Urdu or Hindi first. Just feel it and say it in English.
It sounds hard at first, but if you start using small English sentences in daily life, you'll improve. For example, say, "Open the door," or "It's time to eat," in English, even when you're alone.
Here's another useful tip. Record your voice. Speak about your day in English and record it, then listen to it. You'll find your mistakes and get better.
Yes, when you hear yourself, you learn faster. You may feel shy in the beginning, but after some days, you'll enjoy it.
Also, don't focus too much on grammar while speaking. Grammar is important, but when you speak, just express your ideas. Fluency is more important in the beginning.
Very good point. Many people stop in the middle because they think, "Is this past tense or present tense?" That breaks the flow.
So, relax. Speak freely. You can correct your grammar later. First, let your tongue move.
Tip number 4, watch English videos and repeat after them. This is called shadowing. You listen to one line and repeat it in the same tone.
Shadowing helps with pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Choose a video with slow English. Pause after each line and speak after the speaker.
Even watching cartoons or children's shows in English can help. The language is simple, and the speed is perfect for learners.
And here's one more fun idea. Talk to yourself throughout the day. For example, when you're cooking, say, "Now I will cut the onion." Or when you go out, say, "I am going to the market."
It may feel funny, but it really helps. You're training your brain and tongue to stay active in English.
And remember, don't be shy or embarrassed. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Absolutely. We all learn by doing, so keep speaking, even if it's not perfect.
Let's quickly summarize the tips we shared today.
Tip 1, speak small sentences every day. Tip 2, practice tongue twisters. Tip 3, don't translate from your native language. Tip 4, record and listen to your own voice. Tip 5, don't focus too much on grammar when speaking. Tip 6, use the shadowing technique with videos. Tip 7, talk to yourself in English during daily tasks.
And the most important advice, don't stop. Keep speaking. Even if your tongue feels stuck now, it will get better with daily effort.
So, dear learners, today we talked about a very real problem. I try to speak English, but my tongue doesn't move. We understood the reasons behind it, like fear and lack of practice.
And we gave you simple and powerful tips to fix this problem. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be regular.
That's all for today. We hope you'll try these tips and speak English with more ease and confidence.
Thanks for watching this video on English with Altaf. Keep learning, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next video.
Take care and keep practicing. Bye for now.
Bye!